can you please tell us, ano ba ang diferensya kung meron man sa facts doon sa Francisco case and itong Duterte versus HOR?
Yung Francisco involving former Chief Justice
Davide.
Davide
Mm.
followed the first mode. Yung first mode is the plenary refers to this Committee on Justice and nagkaroon ng hearing sa Committee on Justice. Itong kay Sara, first mode ito when at least one-third of the members of the House signed a resolution which shall become the Articles of Impeachment. Itong kay Sara, pareho na nangyari ito sa kay Estrada and kay Corona. Direct filing ito. Iba yung mode.
So,
Pero
go ahead.
itong decision ngayon, decision nila, conflicts with Gutierrez and Francisco dahil iniba nila yung initiation. Ang initiation ngayon, if it is dismissed by the plenary, na-initiate na raw. Iba yung sa Francisco, it must be referred by the plenary to the Committee on Justice. Yun ang initiation.
Opo. So, kumbaga, you cannot compare, hindi mo maaaring paghambing ang mansanas sa saging.
Yes, iba yung facts. But there are certain congruences, no?
Okay.
Nag-overlap yung definition ng initiation.
Mm-mm.
Yung initiation under Francisco, the plenary acts and refers it to the Committee on Justice and received by the Committee on Justice.
Opo.
Initiation yon. Dito, sinabi nila, pag dinismiss yan ng plenary, initiation na yan. It contradicts the purpose.
Opo.
Ang purpose ng one-year bar para walang inconvenience, unnecessary inconvenience, no? To the impeached officer dahil dapat isa lang ang sa harapin niya.
Opo.
Pero pag dinismiss yan, wala talagang inconvenience. Bakit ka magkaroon ng one-year bar rule na hindi nang umabot sa Committee on Justice?
Opo.
Wala nang umabot sa you're referring to the first three, walang umabot sa first three sa Senate. Walang ma-inconvenience na public official. So bakit mo i-apply yung one-year bar rule? The one-year bar rule, the purpose is para walang multiple suits, walang multiple impeachments to harass the public officer.
Opo.
Wala nga, na-dismiss nga eh.